We'll guide you through how to convert Canva to WPS. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they design presentations in Canva but need to use or edit them in WPS Office. Converting the file ensures compatibility between platforms, especially for offline use. It also helps avoid formatting issues and allows users to present, edit, or share their work more easily across different devices and software. First, open Windows on your computer to begin the process. Next, open the Windows menu so you can access the search feature. In the search bar, type Canva and wait for the results to appear. When Canva is found, click Open to launch the application. After Canva opens, go to the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select a project to continue. Then open your project to access its contents. Next, select the project you want to convert so it is active on your screen. Once the project is ready, move to the upper right corner and click the Share button. In the sharing options, select Microsoft PowerPoint as the file format. After choosing this option, click Download to save the file to your computer. When the download is complete, open File Explorer to locate the saved file. Find the file you just downloaded, then right-click on it to see more options. From the menu that appears, click Open With to choose a program. Then select WPS Office from the list of available applications. The file will open in WPS Office, allowing you to preview the content. Carefully check the slides, layout, and text to ensure everything looks correct. If needed, make small adjustments before saving. Finally, save the file in WPS Office to complete the process. This ensures your Canva project is successfully converted and accessible in a format supported by WPS Office. You can repeat these steps whenever you need to convert another project. Keeping files in compatible formats helps avoid issues when sharing or presenting your work across different platforms and devices.